Okay guys, shalom. Yes, so in this video I'm going to share to you this amazing toy of mine. So this is a flashlight. It is A76 flashlight. Very packable, small size. So let's go ahead and explore the inside. The actual image of this. There you go. The size is just 2 hands. Very handy, packable, and it has a hook for pocket or belt holder. Take a look. So I bought this flashlight because I need a reliable flashlight for me to use for my outing, outdoor activities, repair, and for during light outage for emergency use. So this is the side light, the main light, and this is the switch. So I purchased this item for me to use for outdoor activities and for emergency use during power outage. Okay, so let's explore it. So by the way, this is chargeable. This is where you can charge. It has a long lasting battery. Okay. Charging station with the cable. When you buy this one, it goes with the cable. Okay, so to operate it this way, power on, one click. So this is the main light. This is a wide. If you're going to pull it in, wide, but if you're going to push towards the target, it will sharpen the flashlight. So take a look. There you go. Pull it out, it widens the flashlight. So one of the feature of this which I like is with this blinking mode, you can use this for self-defense from your strangers to distract the eyes of your enemy, then start to run away. Switch it off. So power on, wide, pull, push in, narrow, sharp flash, pull it down. Okay, what about this one? Okay, this is the side light. Red light, emergency light. Okay, so my experience so far for this is very impressive, very positive. It's a lightweight, powerful, and it's very easy to carry around. So my final thought for this is this flashlight is a very great value of its performance, very useful. So I recommend this flashlight to people like me who loves outdoor activity, handyman, or anyone who wants to have a personal use flashlight to use at any time. And yes, you can bring this at home, inside your car, and just put in your bag for emergency use. So that's it guys, that's how it is. Thanks for watching. Shalom. Bye for now.